Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy at home without corn syrup. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth candy base. Have your flavorings and food coloring ready, as well as a candy thermometer and a greased mold or parchment paper. Continue to boil the sugar mixture without stirring. It's very important to avoid stirring once it starts boiling, as this can cause crystallization. Insert your candy thermometer and monitor the temperature carefully. You are aiming for the hard crack stage, which is precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures your candy will be hard and brittle, not chewy. Patience is key during this cooking phase. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly, but carefully, stir in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Remember, the candy will begin to set very fast, so work efficiently. Pour the hot liquid candy into your prepared molds or onto parchment paper. Be extremely cautious, as the candy is incredibly hot and can cause severe burns. Let the candy cool undisturbed at room temperature until it is completely hard, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the candy into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious homemade hard candy in an airtight container to prevent stickiness. For an effortless way to keep your home sparkling, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your sweet, corn syrup-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.